In the frenetic rhythm of modern life, where obligations proliferate and distractions abound, the mastery of time management emerges as a quintessential skill for personal and professional success. Time management encompasses the strategic allocation of one's finite resources, time and energy, towards tasks and activities that align with overarching goals and priorities. At its essence, effective time management empowers individuals to optimize productivity, minimize stress, and cultivate a sense of balance and fulfillment in their lives. Understanding time management. Time management transcends mere scheduling and prioritization. It embodies a holistic approach to managing one's time effectively. It entails a conscious effort to discern between urgent and important tasks, delegate responsibilities when necessary, and allocate time for self-care and rejuvenation. Moreover, effective time management entails the cultivation of self-discipline and the ability to resist the allure of procrastination and distractions that threaten to derail progress. The pillars of effective time management. Central to effective time management are several foundational principles that serve as guiding beacons amidst the turbulence of daily life. Setting clear goals and priorities provides a compass for decision-making, enabling individuals to channel their time and efforts towards activities that contribute meaningfully to their long-term aspirations. Moreover, the establishment of realistic timelines and deadlines fosters accountability and enhances motivation, propelling individuals towards tangible milestones and accomplishments. Furthermore, the judicious allocation of time through task prioritization and organization enhances efficiency and minimizes the risk of overwhelm. By categorizing tasks based on urgency and importance, individuals can streamline their workflow and allocate resources judiciously, thus optimizing productivity and mitigating the risk of burnout. Additionally, leveraging time management tools and techniques, such as to-do lists, calendars, and time-tracking apps, empowers individuals to monitor their progress, identify inefficiencies, and make informed adjustments to their routines. Strategies for cultivating time management skills. Cultivating effective time management skills requires a concerted effort to cultivate self-awareness, develop strategic habits, and embrace a mindset of continuous improvement. Reflective practices, such as journaling and self-assessment, facilitate introspection and enable individuals to identify patterns of behavior that impede their productivity. Moreover, experimentation with different time management techniques allows individuals to discover strategies that resonate with their unique preferences and work styles. Furthermore, the establishment of daily routines and rituals fosters consistency and discipline, providing structure to one's day and minimizing decision fatigue. By carving out dedicated blocks of time for focused work, creative pursuits, and relaxation, individuals can optimize their productivity and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Additionally, practicing mindfulness and present moment awareness enhances cognitive clarity and resilience, enabling individuals to navigate distractions and maintain focus amidst external pressures. Please like my videos and subscribe my channel.